Hello and welcome to the Fixit Shed. If you like to save money by doing things yourself, you're going to want to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss anything. So this week I'm working on my 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. So one day the truck wasn't where it was normally parked and I noticed some spots in the driveway. And it was kind of odd because it was under the rear of the vehicle instead of under the engine where I would have normally expected it. And I could tell that the differential cover was soaked with oil, and so the rust must have worked its way through and caused some pinhole leaks, and now the cover needs to be replaced. So to start with, we're going to remove the cover. There are a bunch of bolts. These are 1/2-inch bolts, and I'm going to loosen them all, and then I'm going to take all out except 2 at the top, and I'm just going to leave those in so that when I break open the rear differential, the cover doesn't fall down. Okay, so I cracked this open with a screwdriver and just opened it up, and the oil drained out and the camera was off. So there's actually not too much residue. Most of the gasket that they used to put this on stayed on the cover, so it mostly stayed on here. So there's actually not too much on here, so thankfully that'll be a little bit pretty easy to clean up. So in the bottom there is a little bit of a reservoir, so you want to try and scrape that out as best as you can. That's all done draining out. Move the drip pan out of the way. You want to make sure that the surface is nice and clean. So if you were going to be doing a lot of scraping to clean off this surface, you'd want to put like some towels or something over the gears so that they don't get any dirt in them. But I think we're in pretty good shape here. Alright, so we have the new cover. I'm just going to put a little gasket sealer on here. So I'm just not tightening these. You want to go in a star pattern. There we go. So I'm not tightening these down a lot. I'm just getting them preliminarily tightened, and then I'm going to go with a torque wrench, and these need to be torqued to 20 pounds. I think I got them all. Okay. And that looks like 20 pounds. Okay, those are all tightened to 20 pounds. So now to put the oil into the differential, we need to pull the plug that's on the front of it. So to remove the plug, it's back here, and you just use your 3/8 inch drive, and you can just put it right in. Okay. Alright, let me try the brake bar. Alright, so this plug is magnetic, so you do want to wipe it off and get any of the metal shavings off of there that you can. Now we need the oil. Okay, so I'm using a Valvoline full synthetic 75W140 weight gear oil. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to unscrew the top, and I'm going to turn it over and use that to puncture a hole. Alright, and I'm going to snip the top off. There we go. That's one. All right, two down. Alright, number 4. Alright, that's probably full. And just tighten it back up. Alright. Okay, so the cover's been put back on, the gear oil has been added to the differential, should be ready to hit the road. So if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Take care. A hole in the foil here. Awesome.